Hi, in this video, we will show you how to make a natural lip scrub to exfoliate and moisturize your lips. Lip scrubs are an essential part of any skincare routine, especially during the winter months when our lips can become dry and chapped. Commercial lip scrubs often contain harsh chemicals that can do more harm than good to our delicate lips. That's why we always prefer to use natural ingredients that are gentle and effective. For this lip scrub, you will need 3 simple ingredients. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix these ingredients together in a small bowl until they form a paste. Then, using your finger or a small brush, apply the paste to your lips in a circular motion, focusing on any dry or chapped areas. Leave the scrub on your lips for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. The brown sugar will gently exfoliate your lips, removing any dead skin cells and leaving them soft and smooth. The coconut oil and honey will moisturize your lips, helping to prevent any future dryness or chapping. And that's it. With just 3 simple ingredients, you can make a natural lip scrub that will leave your lips looking and feeling their best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.